Hello and Happy New Year, friends. I'm Kim England, the Executive Director of the Cookeville Rescue Mission. Cookeville Rescue Mission is a Christ-centered community dedicated to helping the hungry, the homeless, and the hurting. Our goal is to restore hope and transform lives. We're driven by the desire to share the gospel, and we strive each day to spread this unending message of hope. In 2015, over 1,000 men, women, and children entered our doors in need of emergency services. That's over 1,000 homeless, hungry, broken, and hopeless neighbors from our Upper Cumberland communities. More than 14,700 bed nights were provided and over 29,000 meals were served right here at Cookeville Rescue Mission. Other essential services such as seasonal clothing, hygiene products, laundry services, and emergency dental care are offered or provided to each of the guests here. Our dedicated team of staff and volunteers lead daily devotions, offer spiritual guidance, and facilitate a Bible-based life recovery program each and every week. Without the outpouring support of people just like you, we would not be able to provide these necessary services. And on behalf of the Board of Directors and our dedicated staff, we thank you. We thank you for your continued prayers, your dedication, and your financial support. Together, we can provide hope for our neighbors in need. May God bless you and keep you, and we look forward to seeing you in 2016.
Merry Christmas, I'm Elvis, man, and I'm ringing for hope. Cookeville Rescue Mission, man.
Every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings. This year you can be an angel too. Help the Cookeville Rescue Mission bring hope to the families of the Upper Cumberland this holiday season. To find out how you can help, go to cookevillerescuemission.org. That's the sound of hope.